Here's a video of the LCD screen fitted in a 2006 G35. I'm using a cell phone camera, so hopefully the colors are coming through as vibrant as they are as I'm looking at the screen. I'm going to try an DSLR camera as well, different settings, and see if we can get it to show up a little better. What you're looking at now is just an array of pictures rotating, just to give you an example of some of the, I guess, graphics that can be had. I also get the question many times about why don't I use a curved screen so I don't have to fill in the sides and the gaps, get a custom made screen that fits the shape. I've inquired with two suppliers, one in the US and one in China. One of them wouldn't even entertain the idea, and the other quoted $500,000 US. So you can see unless you're a big OEM that's making hundreds of thousands of cars and can afford the expense, make your money back, there's really no option to get a custom made screen.